Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all the Simply Gilded box for the month of October. Here is the journaling card, very cute. Here is the B6 stitched notebook. Next up is this notepad. It's a week view with gold foiling. Here are the washi tapes. I like all of them except for the floral one. Here is this really cute jasper magnet. Here is the pin, a beautiful cream color with glitter and a simple little bow. Here are the bow seals and the icons. For the month of October is when she changed the layout, and I love the gold foiling on the stickers. It's very pretty. I love the color scheme. I love pink. Here are the rest of the stickers. I really do like it a lot. Here is the album. I love the plaid, the gold little heart, the way it has the little scallops, and it also has a D-ring. Here is the inside of it. It has a pocket as well as a ton of little clear pages. You can fit a lot of stickers in these, and I'm so happy with it. Here is the mystery item, which I always get excited to see. These are very pretty. They're foiled and the other two aren't. On the back of them you can put a recipe. I thought this idea was really cute. Here's everything I received for the month of October. I love the whole box. This one is my second favorite box next to the Paris one. If she does have any extras, they'll be in her shop. And I will leave a link down below as well as a discount code to her shop. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.